Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about a problem from Codeforces Div 3, problem C, yet another array restoration. So let's get started. So in this problem, I won't just read the problem statement, but I will explain this in short. So the problem is, we'll be given a number n and we have to construct AP of size n, and will also be given two numbers from that AP. Here AP is arithmetic progression, and we have to construct that AP in such a manner that the maximum of that AP is minimized. So now let's take few examples. So for this example, 20 and 50, we have to construct an AP of size 6, and we are given two elements of that AP, and the elements are 20 and 50. So now let's look how we can construct that AP in such a manner that maximum of that AP is minimized. So we will just look for that. If all the numbers fit inside these two, then we will take that AP and such that the maximum is 50. So otherwise we will look for, and then we will look for left side of 50, and we will take all the smaller number which can fit in this AP greater than 0, and then again if size of the AP is still less than 6, then we will go beyond 50. So now let's take how we can do this. So in this range we will look for maximum number of numbers which can fit inside this, such that all those numbers are in AP, and let's see how we can do this. So here difference between two numbers, so it's 30, 50 minus 20 simply, and since we need four numbers inside 20 and 50, so we will divide 30 by 5, since we need. So let's see how we need 5 partitions. So since this is in AP and we need 4 partitions to get 5 numbers, you can see 1 partition, 2 partition, 3 and 4. So this is why we need for 6 number we will need 5 partitions. So we will check if difference is divisible by 5 or not. So we will divide 30, we will check 30 modulo 5, so it's divisible. Then we will divide this 30 into 6 equal partition. So since we need 5 partitions, so we will just find size of partition by dividing 30 by 5. So it's 6, so we will take each partition of size 6, and the array will be and this is an AP, and the maximum is still minimized, or it's not greater than 50. And let's take another example. So let's take this example, 50, 20 and 5. So let's take this example, 5, 20 and 50. So for this example we will just find difference between 50 and 20, that's 30, and we will look for, since we need 5 numbers for total of 30 difference, then we have to partition it into, so we have to partition it into 4 parts. So we will check if 30 is divisible by or not, 30 is divisible by 4 or not. So 30 modulo 4, obviously it's not 0. So we will, since I said that we have to maximize the number of elements in this range, then obviously again we can look for left side of this range, and then if still n is greater than 1, 0, then we will look for right side of this range. So since we have to maximize number of elements in this range, so we'll just check. So here the partition size is 4 initially, and since we cannot partition 30 into 4 size, so we will look for such partition which we can get from 30, such that number of partition is maximized. So we will reduce 4. So now number of partition is 3, and we'll look for if 30 is divisible by 3 or not. So 30 is divisible by 3, so we will partition this into size 3. So 20, 30, 40 and 50, we got 4 numbers, and still one number is left. Since we need 5 numbers, then we will look for, since p is now 3, so and we got the common difference between these two numbers, which is common difference is 10. So we will just look for number that is smaller than 20. So it's 10 now, and if it should be greater than 0. This is it. And now let's see the code. I have taken input n, x and y, and the difference is y minus x, and we have to take number of partition initially, that is n minus 1, since for n numbers we need n minus 1 partition. We will reduce this number of partition such that difference is divisible by number of partition, and it should be greater than 1. So now the partition size will be of this difference by d, and this is simply common difference of that AP, and we will take k equals to n, such that n, this is the number of elements we need, and we'll take num equals to y, and we will reduce num by this common difference until greater than 0. So you can see it will we will print num, and we will reduce this by common difference, and also the number of the size of AP. So if still greater than 0, the size of AP is still greater than 0, then we will look for left side of the AP, left side of the largest number, that is y. Since we have already print y here, then we will look for y plus the common difference, and we will print until k is greater than 0. And this is it for this problem. And the time complexity of this approach is order n. So we can do this in order n cube at most. So but yeah, this is order n time complexity of this problem. So thanks for watching, and for any doubts you can comment down below.